Good morning class, how are you all? As we are discussing the chapter 1 of chemistry, that is chemical reactions and equations. Now today we will study about blue box questions which are on page number 6. Now our first question is, why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? Why should we clean the magnesium ribbon before burning in air? As we know that magnesium is very reactive metal, it always reacts with air to form magnesium oxide, which always prevents further reaction. So to remove this layer, we rub it with sandpaper so that it can react with other elements. Now it is given as magnesium is very reactive metal. When it exposed to air, it reacts with oxygen to form a layer of magnesium oxide, which is given as Mg plus O2 give you 2 MgO. Now this layer of magnesium oxide is quite stable and we have to remove this layer. So to remove this layer, we rub magnesium ribbon with sandpaper and prevents further reaction of magnesium with oxygen. The magnesium ribbon is cleaned by sandpaper to remove this layer. Our next question is, write balanced equation for the following, in which first reaction is hydrogen plus chlorine form hydrogen chloride. It is given here. It is given as, first is hydrogen. It is given here hydrogen plus chlorine. It forms hydrogen chloride. Here the hydrogen, the number of hydrogen is 2 here. The number of chlorine is 2 here. And it forms hydrogen chloride. The formula for hydrogen chloride is HCl, in which hydrogen is 2, Cl is 2, 2 is here, 2 is here, so the equation is balanced. It's a balanced chemical equation. Now the second is barium chloride plus aluminium sulfate form barium sulfate plus aluminium chloride. Now the formula for barium chloride is BaCl2 plus aluminium sulfate is Al2SO4 whole thrice. It will form barium sulfate, that is BaSO4 with aluminium chloride, that is AlCl3. Now we have to balance this chemical equation. Now how we will balance it? We will write this equation as it is given here, that BaCl2 plus BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 whole thrice, it will form BaSO4 plus AlCl3. Now we will see that barium is 1 here, barium is 1 here, sulfur is 3 here, sulfur is 1 here, oxygen is 4 here, oxygen 4 3s are 12 here. So it's an unbalanced equation. Firstly we will balance the oxygen. To balance the oxygen, we have to multiply it by 3, so it will become BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 whole thrice give you, if we multiplied it by 3, it becomes BaSO4 plus AlCl3. Now what will change? We are multiplying here by 3, so barium becomes 3, sulfur becomes 3, and oxygen becomes 4 into 3, 12. Now sulfur 3, sulfur 3, oxygen 4 3s are 12, oxygen 4 3s are 12. But barium is 3 here, here barium is 1. So now we have to balance the barium. So multiply it by 3. 3 BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 whole thrice give you 3 BaSO4 plus AlCl3. Now we will see that barium is equivalent. Now see chlorine, Cl 3 to the 6 here and Cl3 here. Now we have to balance the equation, so we will multiply it by 2. Now the equation becomes 3 BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 whole thrice, and it will become 3 BaSO4 plus, we have to multiply now by 2 AlCl3. Now we will see here barium 3, sulfur 3, sulfur 3. Oxygen 4 3s are 12 here, oxygen 4 3s are 12 here. Aluminium 2 here, aluminium 2 here. Chlorine 6 here, chlorine 6 here. Now the equation is balanced. So this is the way to balance the chemical equation or chemical reaction. Now the next one is the reaction of sodium plus water forms sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. The formula for sodium is Na plus water H2O. When it reacts, they will form sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, with the evolution of hydrogen. So it's a second question. Now the third question is, write a balanced chemical equation with state symbol for the following reaction, in which first is solution of barium chloride and sodium sulfate in water react to give insoluble barium sulfate and the solution of sodium chloride. Now the equation is given as, formula for barium chloride is BaCl2. It is in water, that means in aqueous solution, so Aq is written over here, plus sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4. It is in aqueous solution. It will form barium sulfate, that is BaSO4, with the sodium chloride, that is NaCl. So it's a balanced chemical equation. Now the next one is, whenever sodium hydroxide solution in water, that means aqueous solution, sodium hydroxide we are taking here in aqueous solution, reacts with hydrochloric acid. The formula for hydrochloric acid is HCl. It is always also in water, so it's an aqueous solution here, to form sodium chloride solution and water. Now what will form sodium chloride? The formula for sodium chloride is NaCl plus water is H2O. So we will see this equation. Sodium is 1 here, sodium is